everyone, it's me again, Peya, and welcome back to my channel. Pang ilang try ko na to na intro, pero hopefully ito na yung final intro ko. We are actually day 2 na ng weekend weekend sama ni sir safari
getaway
weekend safari weekend getaway at Cebu Safari. So teka lang. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click on that bell button so you'll be updated of my new videos like this one. Day 2 of our weekend here. Hi, Ma'am Carl. Asa to si Sir Ro? Hi, Sir Ro. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Show the birthday party. Okay, so we are on our day 2 and we are here in the Canopy Trail. Di ko alam ano kami. Basta namin diri sa Canopy Trail. And then hindi kasi namin natapos yung tour namin kahapon. So we are just finishing it today. After that, mag-ATV na kami or mag-rides. Depende kung ano yung mapagdesisyonan ng lahat. But I think mag-ATV kami. And nauna na kami dito because they are just taking pictures there, as in isa-isang picture, and I'm just here with Sir Ro, Goody, and Ma'am Jazz. Nauna na kami kasi tapos na kami mapapicture. Okay, so yesterday, let me just tell you very quickly what happened yesterday. So yesterday was July 9. Woke up at 5 a.m. because our call time was 6 a.m. Breakfast doon sa branch, and 6:30 dapat nakaalis na kami sa branch, but mga 7 plus na kami nakaalis kasi hindi naman nakarating agad lahat, and mga 9 a.m. siguro nakarating na kami dito. Then we went straight ahead to the tour, and then lunch, after that tour again, tas biglang umulan, and then we had to go back to the cabin, but okay lang din cause mga 2:30 or 3 mga ganong oras na din yata siya umulan. So the afternoon yesterday was very chill at the cabin. we just had longer chika because our tour had to end early because of the rain. Pa-dinner na kami 7 p.m. Mga 7 to 7 p.m. And then, we surprised Sir Ro and Ma'am Dandy because it's Sir Ro's birthday today and it's Ma'am Dandy's birthday tomorrow and also Ma'am Carla's birthday. Then akong birthday sunod. Then little did we know ni Ma'am Carla na appeal tayo sa surprise. Sa si Goody lang. Siya ni hatag sa kwa, siya ni tunol sa cake. And mauna dayon to siya, naabot na sila, so I'll stop talking na. Andara. Ay! Ah! Ay!
Ito, bright the bird bag. 10 plus 10.
Oh my God!
10 plus 10, big.
Wow!
1 plus 1.
2!
2 plus 2.
3! Ako, manggod to. 2 plus 2, 3. Bugo. Oh, diri de sila.
Oh, diri ni sila nagkapuan.
Hello!
Learn from mama.
Hello!
Hi. Hi.
Hello!
Try.
Pwede mo bunit nila?
Hindi.
Royal, royal.
Isa nagkatawa ni birthday. Hi, baby!
Oh my gosh, hello! 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 Hello!
Wala kasi yun. Mama!
Karon diri pagpiling mama eh. Karon di ka mag-iso.
Ay, diri daw, mama. Naa daw sila yung air. Mama!
Mom kid. Mom kid.
Mura mo upo na lang dyan ko. Bakuan ni Sir Mark. Bakuan ni Sir Mark. Bakuan ni Sir Mark.
O sa og pwede ra siya maana.
Oh.
Kabalo kay mga
Hello guys. Aviary.
so depressive and can't get out of bed when I hear you in the kitchen. 'Cause you'll have more to say about all your thoughts and worries surrounding my condition. I can't understand it, I know that it's hard to be happy in my presence. You won't let it go, and I think I'm getting more indecisive by the second. Do you think I should talk to somebody? 'Cause you've been reading about it. At the end of the day, we're never gonna talk about it. Talk about it. I give in the pressure when the weather gets cold. My fingertips are frozen, and you're falling apart over this. My faults that are out of my control. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. There's only so many times that you can listen to the same bad story before you lose your mind. And I've been hearing voices pushing me to tell you I've been thinking of leaving for a really long time. You think I should talk to somebody? 'Cause you've been reading about it. At the end of the day, we're never gonna talk about it. Talk about it. I give in the pressure when the weather gets cold. My fingertips are frozen, and you're falling apart over this. My faults that are out of my control. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Love will set you free, but it'll hold you tight. Oh, love can set you free, but it'll hold you tight.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah?
Dunstan.
Good lang, good.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yeah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.